What is Bisaya language? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know what is Bisaya or Cebuano is, know where it is spoken, understand why learning Bisaya is useful, understand how this course organized, and you will feel excited for our next lesson too. Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Bisaya with Janie. I'm Janie and I'm here to help you learn Bisaya by step-by-step, simple, practical, and enjoyable way. Whether you're learning for travel, work, family, your partner, or your friends, or simply because you just love learning languages, you're in the right place. We're going to learn what the Bisaya language is and how this course will help you become confident in speaking it. So grab your notebooks and let's begin. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Janie. I created this channel because I want to learn people around the world to help understand and to learn Bisaya in a clear, organized, and practical way. You don't need any experience because we will start from the very beginning. First, let's answer a very important question. What is Bisaya? Bisaya is also known Cebuano, is one of the major languages spoken in the Philippines. Millions of people use it every day at home, in school, at work, and in daily conversations. Many people call the language Bisaya in everyday conversation, while Cebuano is commonly used in books, schools, and by international learners. Both term is widely understood. So now I will tell you the places where commonly mostly people is living in that place or where Bisaya is living. So since you don't know, I will tell you some places where you can find Bisaya people. Bisaya is commonly spoken in Cebu, Bohol, Negros Oriental, Siquijor, and parts of Leyte, Cagayan de Oro, Davao, and many areas of Mindanao. I also live in Mindanao, so I am fluent in Bisaya. A very important note, depending on the region, you may hear different accent or some different words, but speakers can generally understand one another. Why do people want to learn Bisaya language? Even you are watching this video and you are listening to me because you want to learn Bisaya. Am I right? Yes. Even Filipinos who speak only Tagalog, like their language is just Tagalog, they also want to learn Bisaya because they want to communicate, they want to make friends with Bisaya people. Examples: talk with Filipino family members, communicate with friends, travel around the Philippines where you can find people who speak Bisaya language or Cebuano language, as you know, and you possibly understand local culture. In future or currently work in Bisaya speaking communities. Make everyday conversations easier. Learning Bisaya helps you to connect with people in a more natural and meaningful way. So you might become interested or confused why my way of teaching is more easier, more understandable, because I use the technique where you can really learn from the very beginning, even if you don't know nothing yet. But more often you will watch every of my lessons from the first beginning, you will learn. This course is designed specially for beginners like you. You're just watching right now and I know you don't know nothing, but by the end of this lesson, I know you will learn the basic, the simple of introduction of Bisaya. Each lessons include vocabulary, pronunciations, grammar, practice, conversations, review, and quiz. Every lessons build on a previous one. So I recommend watching them in order so you will really understand. If you're serious about learning Bisaya, you must practice every day, speak aloud, don't worry about making mistakes. Repeat after me during every lessons. Also, review older lessons before moving on. Remember, no one becomes fluent overnight. Small, consistent practice leads to big progress. So now, since you're already half of this video, I will ask you some questions. You can answer in the comments, so don't hesitate to comment, okay? What language are we learning? A. Is it Korean? B. Is it Bisaya? And C. Is it Spanish? And the answer is Bisaya. Who got correct? And question number 2. Can beginners really follow this course? The answer is yes. I am 100% confident. Yes, you will learn as long as you will be consistent on watching my videos from the lesson 1 up to where the current is. Your homework is subscribe to my channel so you will see me again in the next lesson. Comment where you're from and tell me why you're learning Bisaya. Practice saying the word Bisaya. In lesson 2, we'll learn the Bisaya alphabet and pronunciation. This lesson is very important because correct pronunciation will help you to speak naturally from the beginning. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for learning with me. Remember, learn with confidence, speak with confidence. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next lesson. Until next time, I'm Ping. Bye!